Mastering English phrases, pushed for time, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often confuses learners, pushed for time. This video will break down its meaning, usage, and origins to help you use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Pushed for time is a phrase that means being in a hurry or having very little time to complete something. It's often used in casual and professional settings. For example, if someone says, "I can't chat long, I'm pushed for time," they mean they are rushed and cannot spare much time. Let's look at some examples to understand better how to use pushed for time. 1. In the workplace, we are pushed for time to finish this project by Friday. 2. In personal life, sorry, I can't stop to talk. I'm pushed for time to pick up my kids. 3. In academic settings, I was pushed for time, so I couldn't review my answers in the exam. These examples show the phrase's versatility in different scenarios. The phrase, pushed for time, likely originated from the imagery of being physically pushed or hurried along by time itself. It reflects the feeling of time pressing down on us, urging us to move faster. Understanding this can help you remember its meaning and use it appropriately. And that's a wrap on pushed for time. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using pushed for time in your conversations and see how it enhances your English fluency. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with English.